All right, guys. So the next update I got for you guys is on Jack's 68 Chevelle. This thing is coming along so damn cool, you guys. So I know it's really hard to see because I sprayed it in black, but firewall's all cleaned up. All that's good to go. That was something I updated you guys in the last video. Got the filler holes over here done, some other patchwork done. We had to replace some sheet metal over here. We got that all knocked out. I had a little bit of porosity up on this drip rail when I deleted it, so I had Jimmy go ahead and throw some welds in and grind out the porosity on both sides. We went ahead and finished the drip rail out in the back where the quarter didn't meet, so we got that cleaned up. Cleaned up the back area right here and around the back window where I wasn't quite happy with it, so we got that cleaned up. Trunk pan is in. That was all stuff from the old update. We just, like I said, a couple little spots where we had to fix the drip rail. But let me get a flashlight because it's just gonna make this so much better when you guys see this. Give me a second. We also got Jimmy's toolbox here. We got a bunch of stuff updated and cleaned up. I finally got my fab cart to where it's movable and I can just pull drawers and adjust and all that good stuff. But here's what I wanted to show you. Let me get this light on this bad boy. Ooh, you guys, the trunk, the back seat, floor pan area is done. This thing is so killer. Check out all this bead rolling work, you guys. Oh my goodness. I made every piece of this from scratch, you guys. Every once in a while, I really surprise myself. I just kind of winged it and it came out good. Jimmy helped me get this thing all dialed in. He did all the welding and metal finishing and all that. And it's killer, you guys. This thing looks so cool. So the only thing we have left to do on Jack's car is tubs, which are going to be quite a task in themselves, but we'll get them knocked out. And then clean up some of this metal work, guys. And then this thing is done. It'll go back to Jack. It'll get its updated suspension. It will get its badass motor. This thing is getting an LSX 454. He actually bought this from one of my other clients and / friends. And that motor is killer. That came out of a 55 Chevy big window. So that'll be really cool. And I think last time I talked to Jack, this thing was actually going to get a Whipple on top of that LSX 454. So this thing is going to be rowdy. To top it all off, you guys, this thing is actually going to get the full Ride Tech front and rear kit. And obviously get some nice interior, some custom stuff. And it may actually come back. I may do some door panels in this and do some other work. But we'll just kind of see where that's at from here. He wants to get it back and start getting it cleaned up and, painted and all that stuff. Bodywork, primed, painted. Get that motor in, get that suspension in. And yeah, believe me, so do I. I think it'll be super cool. So that's pretty much where we're at on this video. Jimmy did a little bit of cleanup on the bottom and yeah. Not a whole lot left, guys. Just got to make some tubs in here. And then hit my boy up. Come pick it up. It's ready to go. So that's going to wrap off that video. Nice, quick, easy one. We got a lot of stuff done this week. And again, I got tons of parts. Let's go. Let me go show you guys these. Walk in the office here. Sorry, it's a disaster in here. I mean, I got lower door panels for the square bodies. So 73 to 87 square body panels. I got 67 to 72 firewall panels. That's the passenger side. This is the driver's side. I got 73 to 87 square body panels. That's driver's side. They come with cutouts, without cutouts. This is the passenger side, nice and clean, no holes, no none of that. Again, like I said, the all these panels come with an option for with holes or without holes. On this square body one, if you get it without holes, that line will just be straight. You won't get that radius around that. That's for the windshield wiper motor. So, grill design that I'm working on, you guys, that'll be out soon. That's for 67, 68 C10s. Radiator support covers for 67, 68. I got 69 to 72. So all kinds of good stuff, guys. Again, you can get all these parts at my website. My website is www.mariofabworks.com. I'll go ahead and put it down below. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn your notifications on, share the video, all that good stuff. I also have shirts and I also have keychains, so make sure you guys check those out. Let me I'll pull a keychain out for you guys right there. Those are the stainless steel laser engraved keychains. So they do come with key ring. I just haven't put some on, so go check them out, guys. Go order something, support the shop, and support everything cool that we do here, guys. I'll see you guys soon. Have a good weekend.